we are heading into the woods to make our nature Andy Goldsworthy inspired artwork. And I was passing by these beautiful buttercups and thought this is a perfect material to make art out of. So my girls are collecting some buttercups for us to make art out of. Thank you. All right, we're on the hunt for more supplies for our Andy Goldsworthy inspired artwork. You want to go look in the trail over there? Yeah. Might be a little muddy. Ooh, I like that fern. Let's get some ferns.
I see a slug.
Oh, we found slugs. So I wanted to make a mandala because I like mandalas. You do not have to make a mandala. You could make any nature artwork that you want. Okay, got some. So now I got, okay, just a minute. So now I've got buttercups and I've got ferns. Those are two of my supplies. Let's keep going and hunting. We hit a mud pit. It is muddy. But it's springtime, so we're just gonna go through it. Come on, girls, we can do it. The girls found some moss. How pretty is that? I'll just take this little bit of moss and we'll see. Oh, it's not even moss. It's like a little...
You want it?
Yeah, it's like a little plant, isn't it?
Do you want a stick?
Yeah, we'll have some sticks too. So those will be our materials. Moss, or whatever this plant is. That's beautiful. And sticks. Have that stick. And our buttercups. And our ferns. And we're going to go make a mandala. So part of this process is just walking along somewhere. You could be in your backyard. You could be in the city, like downtown Snohomish, and finding nature. I don't want you to pick any nature that is like somebody's prized flowers or somebody's vegetable crop. I want you to pick nature that is free to be picked. You can use as many or as few supplies as you want, but 3 is often a good number, or groupings of 3s. And you do not have to make a mandala, but you can if you want to. And that's what I'm going to make. So we're just walking through. This is in our neighborhood. It's like a little trail, natural area. But you could just do it in your front yard if you wanted to. Or you could go on a hike. So pretty much anywhere you are. If you live near a beach, you could go to a beach and do it. Just wherever that has a little bit of nature. So we have decided that we're going to make our Andy Goldsworthy inspired art by this little pond over here. So we're going to go into the woods and we're going to kind of show you our process. I'm going to let the girls make their own sculpture and I will make mine. Here is my Andy Goldsworthy inspired nature art. Now it's your time to go and make your own. Bye guys.